If you're facing Messenger video call problem cause it's got no access to your device's microphone or camera, to quickly fix it, first of all, let me tell you what happens. So when there is an incoming call or you call someone, if you accidentally deny the mic or camera, after that, this error keeps showing up. So while this appears, you can tap on Open Settings, and from this section, you're gonna just look for permission. To find out camera, and then select Allow only while using the app. And then go to the microphone section and select the Allow while using the app as well. And apart from that, you can also allow mic and camera from settings as well. Just open settings and then look for the apps option. Now search for Messenger in this list. You'll end up in the same section. Just go to permission like before. And then just allow permissions for camera and microphone. Just make sure camera and mic both are in the allowed services list. That's all. And then you can take and make voice or video calls on Messenger without any problem. Thanks for watching.